Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. I'm Tina, and today I'm going to run a clothesline between two trees. I don't use a clothesline for hanging out my laundry, but I'd like to have one to air blankets on. And this summer in particular, I'm going to use it first as a support to grow string beans on. So I'm going to start here in a second. Now I'm using wire, so I'm going to drill, and then I'm going to put these eye hooks in. Let's get my little ladder over here. Make sure my drill's pointing the right direction. Doesn't do me much good if I get up here and it's going backwards. I'm going to drill my pilot hole. Okay. Now then, well, where did I put my... Oh, I've got to go get me a screwdriver. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, now then. Get my cheater here. There we go. This is a pretty healthy little tree. It's a pecan tree. It's one of those that just kind of came up, but it's already bearing. It bears pretty good pecans. Every pecan tree, they tell me, is unique. I guess except for the ones that the varietals that they do, I think they graft those. I'm not for sure, because they don't come up true from seed, I don't think. Okay, now then. Alright, now I'm going to go put my other one up. Okay, now then. This one is this tree is a burro oak. As you can see, it's a big tree. I know the lady that planted the acorn. Come on. Okay, it's binding up. Pull it out. There we go. Okay. All right, that's probably enough. Started here. There we go. Yep, I know that, like I said, I know the lady that I was talking in another video about people call this the such and such house after some folks that lived here for about 20 years. I know that lady. I know 2 or 3 people that used to live here. But she planted this oak as an acorn, and look how big it is now, all in her lifetime. So don't ever let anybody tell you that you shouldn't plant acorns, because it's a good thing to do. All right, now let me get my wire. This is very flimsy wire. I can't remember what I asked for. It seems like I wanted 10 or 12 gauge, and I went out to Home Depot, and all they had, and I mean they had 5 displays of different brands of it all over the store, was 14 or 16 gauge. So it's a lot thinner than I would have liked, than what's recommended. I bought it originally for putting up grapevines. But at any rate, let me get one piece of it in here, and I'll bend it down. See, it's real flexible. When even I can bend it like that, that's just pretty lousy wire. But it'll do for, I guess, for my purposes. But that's it's a problem. Stores don't want us to buy, except, they want us to buy locally. They don't want us to order on the internet, but they won't carry in stock things that we need. I should have probably gone to McCoy's. They might have had it for us. And oh, all right, now then, let's see if I can twist this some more here. Now I need my pliers to twist it with. Okay, back in the house again. Be right back. Okay, now. These are dinky, but I think they'll do the trick. There we go. The other one will be actually easier to twist, I think. Maybe not, but we'll see. Okay, that's good enough. That's all I need for this. All right, now let's go do the other side. Alrighty, there you go. It works. Keeps things from hanging on the ground. and there's my infamous redbud tree behind it that came up from seed that I tried to kill thinking it was a catalpa tree. I told that story in another video, so I won't go into it here. But anyway, that's one of the things that I did today. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you.